Wanna post your Instagram story to your WhatsApp status? I will show you how you can easily do it. So watch the video until the end and you will learn a useful life hack. So let's get started. So firstly guys, find and open Instagram on your device and afterwards create or select an existing story. If you want to create a new one, just tap on the plus icon and select the media which you want to post. But if you have an existing story, again, simply open it and tap on the more icon right there. Click on the share option and tap on the WhatsApp from the upcoming menu. Afterwards, click on the My Status, tap on this small arrow right there. And also in this section, you can change the background color and the font of the text. Simply click on the send icon right there to post your status. And this is pretty much it. Now your Instagram story has been successfully posted to your WhatsApp status. So if this video was helpful for you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. This gives me motivation to create even more helpful videos. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye.